Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling what lets stickers appear. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard. Enable any sticker-related toggles and predictive text so the keyboard can suggest graphics. If you use a third-party keyboard, install it in Keyboards and allow full access. This permits sticker packs to integrate. Once done, make sure your iPhone and the messaging app are updated, because older versions often hide sticker features. Now move to adding sticker packs and checking the keyboard app drawer for stickers. You now add sticker packs so they show on the keyboard. Open the iMessage app drawer or the App Store and search for sticker packs, then download the ones you want. Third-party keyboards often have an in-app store too. After installing, open Messages, tap the app drawer, then Manage or the three-dot menu to enable new sticker packs for quick access. Once enabled, make sure they appear in the keyboard's app strip and test inserting one into a message to confirm. To finish, open a conversation and tap the sticker icon in the keyboard or the iMessage app strip. You can tap to send, drag onto messages, or long press to remove a sticker. If a pack doesn't show, force quit messages and reopen it, or restart your iPhone to refresh extensions. Make sure the sticker pack is still enabled in Manage and reinstall it if necessary. If permissions were denied for a third-party keyboard, grant full access in Settings so stickers function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.